pag-usapan natin tong si Maya Credit. And nakatanggap ako ng update or recent notification sa kanya. Natuwa naman ako guys at nasabi ko talaga, wow, nakakaganang gamitin si Maya Credit. So, isi-share ko sa inyo yung update na to and what this means for us mga users ni Maya Credit. If you're interested, keep watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ate Red and here we talk about online loan platforms and financial literacy. Kung bago pa kayo dito sa channel, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification button dahil ito yung mga topics ko. And hindi po sponsored yung videos na to ha. It's based on my personal experience. Wala akong all links dito pero shopping links meron. Hindi gusto lang i-share kung saan ko nabibili yung mga whatever man na na-notice nyo dito sa video. Say for example, yung contact lenses na gamit ko guys, I buy them from EO because they're affordable and comfortable. Marami kayong colors sa pagpipilian pero kung gusto nyo malaman kung saan ko binili, syempre meron tayong product link dyan. Anyway, so back to Maya Credit. Why is everybody getting an increase except for me? I'm stuck sa 14,500. Well, syempre, obviously, kahit na nagbabayad ako in full, on time, always, hindi ko naman siya masyadong ginagamit. Dahil yung 7.49 kasi yung service fee niya sa akin. Yung mga online loan platforms kasi ako na mas mababa yung interest. Although okay siya kasi hindi siya 7 days. So, it's just that you need to plan your transactions carefully kasi may cut-off po siya. And every cut-off, meron kang 15 days to pay for that bill. So, dapat pinag-iisipan kasi 7.49 per transaction. Pag nag-transfer ka sa wallet mo, it's buo. Wala siyang kinakatas. Nga lang, for every transaction, 7.49 agad. Parang tampo-tampo na ako kasi wala akong increase ha. Parang lahat may increase na ako, wala. Pero at least, yung natanggap ko naman sa kanya, binabaan niya yung service fee ko. O, diba? Okay na rin yun, guys. We'd like to share your Maya Credit account has been updated with a credit limit of 14,500 and a service fee of 6.99 effective immediately. Keep using Maya Easy Credit to shop, dine, buy, load, pay bills, and more to increase your credit limit. To maintain a good standing, make sure to settle your bills in full and in time. For more information, blah 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 blah. And Maya is a digital bank that's regulated by Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, so this platform is legit. Therefore, worth it po na alagaan yung mga Maya Credit account natin. Yun naman pala eh. Kaya hindi ako nagkaka-increase dahil hindi ko siya masyadong ginagamit. But when I was notified na from 7.49, ginawa na nilang 6.99 yung aking service fee. Nakaka-encourage guys na gamitin siyang more often at sana tuloy-tuloy yung pagbaba nito at tumaas yung aking credit limit. That's my point. It's not really much, to be honest. Kinumpare ko yung 7,000 na kinash out, transfer ko sa wallet ko before. Yung na 6.99 na lang, parang 50 pesos yung difference, ano? Kasi may DST pa. As mentioned kanina, 3 years na akong may Maya Credit. Matagal-tagal din na bago ako nagka-offer ha. So, mga siguro 1 taon na upgraded na yung Maya Credit ko bago ako nagkaroon ng offer. And when I got the offer, 7,000 yung starting. And then naging 10,000 and naging 14,500. So, ayan, kakabayad ko lang po. If you wanna use it, transfer to wallet for example, all you need to do is just click transfer to wallet and then pipiliin mo yung amount na ita-transfer mo and it's very transparent kasi pag click mo ng transfer to wallet may breakdown na kaagad. So breakdown na yun makikita mo na 7,000 yung matatanggap mo pero nag-incur na siya ng service fee kasi per transaction siya, di ba? May eroplano po. And yung service fee niya, ayun nga, 6.99 na guys. Exciting, di ba? 0.50 na difference kaya parang 50 pesos yung difference nito, ano? So very transparent po siya. Kung payag ka, just click transfer now and kaagad mo na po siyang matatanggap sa Maya wallet mo. And you can do whatever you want. Pwede mo siyang i-transfer sa GCash, i-transfer sa bank account. Pwede mo rin siyang pangbayad ng bills through the Maya app. Basta, very flexible siya ha. Kung napunta ka naman sa isang offline merchant na tumatanggap ng Maya Credit as a payment method, lalabas po siyang option. So, for every transaction is 6.99. Pero kung ito-total mo yung lahat mong transaction, tapos lahat ng service fee mo, yung ano man yung nasa bill mo, it's still 6.49. So, hindi siya pa 7 days. Meron po siya pina-follow na cut-off. And yung cut-off na to, ikaw po yung pumili niyan when you activated your Maya Credit. Kasi magkakaroon ka ng invite from Maya or you can also go to the credit na tab. There, you can follow the steps. May prompt. Pag upgraded yung account mo, usually lahat ng info mo andun na eh. Anyone with a valid phone number can have a Maya account, but to upgrade, you need to submit valid IDs. 1 primary ID or 2 secondary IDs. But in order for you to have an offer dito kay Maya Credit, you need to be 21 years old and 65. With Maya Credit, you can borrow up to 30,000 pesos and you only pay for the amount na ginamit mo. Giging part siya ng babayaran mo upon your due date. May pa-billing cycle siya. So, when you select your bill date, pag-isipan nyo na yan ng mabuti, guys. 15 days after na lumabas yung statement mo, yun yung due date mo. So, if you wanna see the step-by-step process nung dati kung paano ko inactivate si Maya Credit ko, you can check my very, very old video or just check your Maya app for that. Hopefully, you get service fees that are lower than mine. Because anyways, nakaka-excite naman na nasa 6.99 ako ngayon and sana bumaba pa siya. It only means na eventually, for as long as good standing yung account mo, eventually magkaka-increase naman talaga. Alagaan mo lang. And bababa pa pala yung service fee. Kasi ko dati, stuck na talaga ako sa 7.49. Mahal siya. Kasi bilis nga, 5% and below, may 0% interest pa for like up to the next payday. Ganon din si Credivo. Bakit si Maya medyo mataas? Kaya dapat pinag-iisipan ko siya, guys. So, ayun, naka-indicate po talaga kay Maya na in order for you to qualify for Maya Easy Credit, then you need to have good credit standing. If you qualify for early access, we will notify you once you are already eligible to activate your Maya Easy Credit. Guys, napaka-legit po ni Maya Credit and therefore dapat po siyang alagaan. I just wanna encourage everyone to pag meron tayong mga ganitong mga options, meron tayong mga ganito, utang is a privilege, not a right. So, we really need to work hard para mapaganda yung ating credit history para naman maging accessible sa atin yung mga ganitong mga platforms. Mahigpit po. To be honest, mahigpit po if yung isang platform ay legit. Lalo't lalo na tong si Maya, hindi po siya makulit. Now, you must be wondering, ano ba talaga yung basehan ni Maya para magkaroon ng offer or para mag-offer ng increase? Or kalagay din po dito na your eligibility for Maya Credit and your resulting credit limit are based on how frequently you use your Maya services. The more consistently and actively you've used our service prior to applying, the higher your potential credit limit. Yung credit history po is very, very important. Single payment po si Maya kasi like I said, meron po siyang fixed na due date and fixed na billing date. But you can pay in advance. Depende na yan sa inyo, or you can pay ng patingi-tingi leading up to your due date. Pero usually kasi, minsan kasi nakakalito. And typically kapag utang ka, hindi mo na nakikeep track kung ilang service fee na pala yung na-incur mo. But okay lang. It's still acceptable if you're going to compare it with other loan apps. But, syempre, you need to have good budgeting habits, diba? You might just say na 500 lang yung interest or service fee niya, but that's still money, the cost of borrowing. So, yun guys, dapat pinag-iisipan po yung mga ganito. That's it for today's video. Yun lang yung masashare ko, yun yung opinion ko. And I'm excited na ganito pala si Maya Credit. Nagbababa pala siya ng interest kung good payer ka. So, that's it. And see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye.